But we're going to start with glitch. It starts with piano like this. Nights are getting colder, days are closing in. Once more I get the fleeting feel again. Thank you. I almost gave up on that one so many times. I guess like one of the inspirations for my song with that one was actually Touch a Grave by Grateful Dead. It was one of those songs. It was one of those songs that I grew up with, just like in the background on the radio, because it was every classic rock station.
I would have said that one day.
Since I was like 5 years old, you know, and I never really paid much attention until I started dating this guy that likes the Grateful Dead. And yeah, I was like, hey, there's something to this one. All right. Anyway, we got clouds. We got clouds for you. husband Dewey stepped out. He's on a lot of good. But there he is. He's back. You never know. We have Jamie Larson on bass. Savannah Nelson on drums. And Denise DeSantis on guitar. And yeah, Mia, we already said that. We don't need a birthday.
It's Leah's birthday. You should share it.
That's because I said that it's my birthday, and I decided because I'm like, that's the only way I might get people to come to a show. So, ha, joke's on you. You came to my show. Yeah, that one was clouds. We have, I wanted to show you the music video for this next one. We did a music video. I really love underwater modeling. Fun fact. One of my friends, he runs Personality Hire Studios down in Lakewood. He does video production, he does studio production. And we just jumped into a pool one day and we created this gorgeous music video. It's on my YouTube page. It's on the band's YouTube page, El Casper Music YouTube. It's gorgeous and it goes with this next song we're gonna do. This next song, it's the big sister to the one that we did in the Songwriter Circle. They couldn't go together. This one, Cheyenne played with us in 2019 for the show we did, Trip to the Moon, about this little girl, George Millie's films, lots of things going on. And again, we started with the live looping. Now, I like what I secretly call my music. I secretly call my music bad math rock because I'm really bad at math. And it counts, but it just doesn't count that right. So I guess, yeah, we're like bad math rock sometimes. And this was one of those that we turned bad math rock into something a little bit more square. I started out with this little riff that was like, Shane's like, just fucking go, shut up, you already know the story.
No, you're done. Keep going, baby.
But I started out with this really bad riff and it just didn't square up right. And then his friend Shane was like, no, I think it's more like.
Yes, you are.
you really do.
Everyone has favorites.
You really have favorite children. They come and go on who's favorite and who's not. That's my favorite. The drummer, when we originally did this in Scout Studios, because that's where I like to record, is with Darren, so check him out. And it's really fun comparing what it's like to play with UO versus like the things that are brought out during recording. You know, in the recording. And if you listen to The Sinking Girl and this one, you're both on Spotify or prefer Bandcamp. There's lots of different layers, but I think the drummer for this song was about ready to kill me. towards the end. He's only on one song with me, and that's this one. But yeah, we have one more, and this is the Lunacy song, unless we have time for Helpless. I don't want to take up everybody's time, but this one I get to step away from the piano. This one is a Lunacy song. We're doing this tonight. During the pandemic, Lunacies did this show called In the Pines. In the Pines was an immersive show where you could walk around with a mask on, and of course, outside. Really weird and stupid. But the story, the reason I wrote this song during the pandemic was because I had a group of dancers, and I said to each person in the scene, you pick out your story. It's got to be some weird story from Colorado. And they chose the story of Mother Cabrini. You can Google the story of Mother Cabrini. There's a shrine there for Mother Cabrini in Golden, Colorado, where Brona and I, for the music video, we dressed up as nuns. And everybody thought we were nuns. Everybody thought we were nuns. We were wearing these skin tight, it was like skin tight like this. We were wearing the skin tight long sleeve turtleneck leotard with like a translucent black skirt in the middle of the day. And I was headed out to my car. I was looking for a lighter. I really wanted to smoke a cigarette on break. And I go, and there's this guy walking by, and Brona goes like this to him. And he's like, oh, he's so hi to my baby. And then I was like, hey girl, you got a lighter? And she goes, no girl, I don't smoke anymore. And the guy was really confused. And then we were, then this other scene, we were done shooting these people were like, hey, do you know which way the visitor center is? And we're like, we have no idea. We don't even know where we are. And they just looked at us so weird. It wasn't until we left did we realize, I think people thought we worked there. Sure shit enough, people thought we worked there. But this one's about Mother Cabrini. That's why I say that. Because it's a Lunacy song. It's all Lunacies. I brought it to Mr. Davey Allard. I met him through Cheyenne. We had music theory jam sessions. And I was like, hey, Davey, I really need a guitar player on this song because I really feel like this one's a guitar song. And he goes, yeah, I'll come up. I'll play with you. I'm really bored. And he just passed away this past December. Was it December? he was pretty, it was like just within this few months, he's passed away. He's been battling cancer for the past years, but we're doing this one tonight for him. I need a drink. Can someone hand me a drink?
Yeah.
Not alcohol. Don't kill my sobriety.
Alcohol.
Butter.
Alcohol.
special. We have a special one here.
Okay.
This is the birthday.
Okay, well, we were trying to keep it
Yeah.
short.
What are we doing? What song is this?
We're trying to keep it short.
I don't know.
So, I know it's a songwriter's night, but sometimes, like, we did this one for Folkoma X, and Folkoma X was gorgeous. Kenton filmed it, so maybe we'll put it on our Patreon if I ever start that. I don't always like to do covers, especially when I'm trying to do my own material, especially in a songwriter's night. But Chrissy did a cover, so I can do a cover. And sometimes covers just make people feel a little bit more at home. Familiar again, and we just sound so great on this song. We want you to hear it. There is a town in North Ontario with dream comfort, memory to spend. In my mind, I still need a place to go. Oh, my changes
Windows behind the stars. Yeah, on the rise.
Special request.
We're good.
What? But there's only so much time.
We're good. Y'all do what y'all do.
And you're not.
Y'all
Yeah.
do what y'all do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leah. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, dear Leah. Happy birthday to This is your birthday song. It doesn't last that long. Hey!
However you want to do it.
Band table. Look, when do I start?
Oh, it's so cute, Ken. Stop.
Oh, no way!
Yeah, it is really cool.
Our band is about to play. Thank you.
Cool, okay.
We should do your ice
No, they really do. Right side. Do you know where the courthouse is? Okay,
Yeah.